Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel, Alex here. For today we've got a pretty special pieces from Jacob & Co. The other video I've shown you that was about the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport, the whole presentation, that occurs just behind you, that we're going to check it out as well. But for today, we do have a beautiful, right here, an exceptional rare piece that I'm just going to show you as well with my expert today, which is Keith from Jacob & Co. that is going to explain us this beautiful Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon. Very limited, and it has the W16 engine right here. So Keith, I invite you to step you on board this beautiful Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. As you guys can know, the toys as well. Pretty beautiful. And yeah, let's get started. Just on board. Black and blue, the same as the watch. So we're currently just on board the Chiron Pure Sport, and Keith is going to just explain us what's about the Chiron Tourbillon.
Well, Jacob & Co. has partnered with Bugatti since last year, and the first two pieces we did were iterations of existing models. This is the first clean sheet production model for Bugatti, and it's the Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon by Jacob & Co. Wow. The interesting part of this is that it replicates a W16 engine inside it. So this pusher is what activates the W16 engine. So it's a small crankshaft with 16 pistons coming off of it, turning in. So this lasts about 20 seconds, and it's available on demand just by pushing the crown.
Wow.
And the watch is inspired by the Chiron. As you can see, the side of the watch is similar to the side of the Chiron. There's the horseshoe grille, and it's got a flying incline tourbillon, and it has the Bugatti engine inside, and the entire movement is suspended in 4 places, so it can move up and down a little bit, and that made us make a new crown system, because a fixed crown would break if the movement went up and down. So we have a special articulating crown that makes it so that the crowns still perform.
Wow.
But the most impressive thing is this.
That's insane how it moves.
The W16 engine.
Wow. We do have as well the tourbillon that is like curved, inclinated.
It's
on
inclined 30 degrees. You can see it through this horseshoe grille.
Wow. It's super small. Wow. And it fits absolutely well just inside through the glass. Wow. So you said that there is different version of specifications and the price list. So
we're making 250 movements. 101 will be in titanium, and the price of that is $280,000 US. It's also available 99 pieces in rose gold for $310,000 US. And then we're making 50 movements available for customization. So somebody who has a Bugatti Chiron in a special color can make their watch match their car.
So that's more insane, that's more particular that you guys are making to fit the Chiron with your special watch with the color that you want to bespoke it.
That's right.
And the power reserve, 60 hours?
60-hour power reserve. There are 578 pieces in the movement alone. And then we have the sapphire glass on top of the animation, and sapphire glass
that is
all
quite
around.
Curved as well. This is more special.
This is very difficult to manufacture.
And all these 3 movements with the 3 Ettore Bugatti logos just on it.
So this crown sets the time, this crown winds the movement and winds the animation, and this crown activates the animation. Wow. So the power reserve is separate for the watch and for the animation. Wow,
that's absolutely insane. Look at that, look at more closer. Wow. It's super unique. Jacob & Co. was already making some unique pieces with the world that was turning on inside, but here, since the collaboration with Bugatti, it's like the 3rd piece I think that you've got. This is the 3rd piece.
And the first piece that's made exclusively for Bugatti. So we worked with Bugatti on the design going back and forth for quite a long time. This watch was more than a year in development.
Already for the 110 ans, you've made something special.
That's right.
Then after it, with the double tourbillon,
That's right, the twin turbo Furious, and now we have the Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon.
with also a tourbillon on board. That's insane. Thank you very much.
You bet, thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Hope that you guys really appreciate this pretty special piece of the Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it. Thank you very much for your help. So yeah, don't hesitate to check of this watch more if you'd like to know it more, or contact directly Jacob & Co. But that piece is absolutely phenomenal. First time seeing it in person, first time reviewing it. It's not really often that I make some reviews with watches. It's more cars, but like here today, it's cars and watches, which is really more special. So yeah, have a very nice day and see you very soon. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.